Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discover credit card fast fix step by step clearly. To activate your Discover credit card, first, locate the activation sticker on the front of the card. Visit the official Discover website on your computer or mobile device. Look for the Activate Your Card option on the home page. Click on that option to be directed to the activation page. Enter the 16-digit card number found on the front of your Discover credit card. Provide your date of birth in the required format. Next, input the last 4 digits of your Social Security number for verification. Review the provided information to ensure it's accurate. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to proceed. After successful verification, your card will be activated. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your Discover credit card is now ready for use. If you prefer, you can also activate your card via the Discover mobile app. Simply download the app and log in or create a new account. Navigate to the card activation section within the app. Follow the same steps as outlined for the website activation. For those who prefer to speak with someone, you can call Discover customer service. Have your card and personal information ready when you make the call. A representative will guide you through the activation process over the phone. Once activated, you can start using your Discover credit card immediately. Keep your card information secure and never share it with others. Enjoy the benefits and features that come with your new Discover credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.